8 days after the devastating fires began in Southern California, millions in western Los Angeles County and most of Ventura County are again under a particularly dangerous situation, red flag wind warning.
I urge everyone to stay alert. The combination of low humidity and strong winds has further dried out the brush, increasing the risk of fire. The danger has not yet passed.
Those powerful Santa Ana winds and low humidity could help rekindle the Eaton and Palisades fires. ABC News learning the ATF, which is investigating the cause of the fire, is zeroing in on the Palisades Highlands area. There are questions whether a fire first reported on a hillside just after midnight on New Year's Day could be connected to the fire that started on January 7th. These side-by-side satellite images seem to show the fire nearly at the same spot as the fire the week before. Among the thousands of structures destroyed, several schools. Unaffected schools in the district today are welcoming students, families, and employees from those that have been destroyed by the fires. One building that was saved, the home of Susan and Winston Solser, the couple in their 80s, keeping the flames away using garden hoses.
I wasn't sure where Winston was. Couldn't contact him, but it turned out he was at the south end of the house doing the same thing.
Winston is in the hospital recovering from burns on his arms and legs, but Susan says she's not leaving her home.
Heaven for me, this location. Here I stay, whether it's as a human being or ashes, I don't know, but so far it's as a human being.
Officials once again warning how dangerous of a situation this is as hundreds of thousands are still without power, some due to these destructive fires, and others had their power turned off preemptively to protect against any new fires. Melissa Adan, ABC News, Altadena.